In a vast jungle, a lion and a tiger lived as rivals. Both were powerful and proud, constantly trying to outdo one another. The lion boasted of his strength, while the tiger prided himself on his speed. Their rivalry grew so intense that the jungle animals began to fear their fierce battles. One day, a terrible drought struck the jungle. Rivers dried up, and food became scarce. The lion and the tiger, both weakened by hunger, realized they needed to work together to survive. They set aside their differences and pooled their strengths. The lion used his power to move heavy obstacles, while the tiger's speed helped him hunt swift prey. Together, they found water hidden deep in the jungle and shared their food, ensuring both survived the harsh times. As the drought ended and the jungle flourished again, the lion and the tiger had learned a valuable lesson. Strength and speed alone are not enough. Unity and cooperation are the true keys to survival. From that day on, they were no longer rivals, but allies, showing the jungle that even the mightiest must sometimes rely on others. The animals of the jungle admired their new friendship, realizing that working together brings far greater rewards than competing against one another.